Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you move locations and you want your groceries to be delivered elsewhere. How do you actually go ahead and change your address on the Instacart app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Then on the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile icon. Next, you're going to click on Settings. From here, click on Address. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and add a new address or select a previous address that you've used before. So that should pretty much be it though, guys. You can even edit the existing address that you currently have and then click on Save Address. So if you click on edit, then save address, there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your address on the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.